Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Sunday morning, July 26, 2020. So as you can see, I'm on the east side, right by the giant video screen. And the screen is Prism View Media Mesh. That is from Samsung. Still waiting to see. Looks like they got pretty much all the mesh on, except we just got these gaps here. See here, the right side one. See how big it is. And there's still these wires hanging out. And then I was mentioning last time over here that I think they'll put something to get rid of these like stepped looking panels. I still think they will do it. You can see the brackets stick out a little farther. I don't know, to me it just doesn't have that finished look without it. So I don't know if they'll put something. I think they will. Even on the bottom, the brackets, you can see how the brackets are still coming out. So we'll wait and see for that. Alright, so then in the main parts of the screen you can see a few holes. And then if you look behind it, they got some kind of control panel behind it. Another one up here, same thing. Then if we look at this left side, this gap looks bigger than the right one. See, there it has all that wiring again also. So I did read that the Allegiant Stadium was granted occupancy permit. So I think it goes into effect on August 1st. You know, so that means they could turn it over to the stadium instead of just the construction people. So be nice if they would at least start the stadium tours, since they're allowed to have occupancy. I haven't heard anything about that yet, but that would be good. Alright, if you look at all the bollards down there, they got all the silver on all of them now. Remember before they were just the black pole with the concrete inside. So they got the finished look to them. There are a few people out here working, but not too many. Alright, we got the billboards here. This one I can't see that little back edge. Last time I was out here, when I was on Polaris, I noticed on the back of this one here, this is the first one they put up. So the very back of this one, they have a Raiders shield on the back. It's the edge facing west that you would see from Polaris. So we'll see if the other one on the corner of L. Davis Way and Dean Martin has one. I'll be heading that way. We'll try to get the drone up also. And then we can see the other billboard. This is the three-sided billboard. This is the one right at Russell Road. That's at Russell and Dean Martin. So you can see that's Russell Road Bridge up here. Alright, so you can see right here that says do not enter. So this will be like a one-way street. I think it's gonna be for drop-offs. Might be for like ride sharing and stuff. Drop off on this drive here. So you'll come in down this other direction. You'll come in right by this, by the big giant Yesco sign. Alright, so if we look over here, you can see some of these. These are the actual panels for the media mesh. See how they're got spares there. I don't know if that's media mesh or other parts. So I just wanted to show on this side, you can see a few of the panels up on top. They touched them up, but they haven't painted them yet. So I would think that would be soon. And then if we come down more towards the bottom here, you can see there's like them 4 panels here also. They look like they still need to get painted. They look kind of like a little like weathered look, like a little surface rust. So that's right above the administration offices here. You can hear that noise. They're using some kind of hammer drill. So they're working on this gate area. I'm working my way down towards El Davis. So we're by the Yesco sign. This is the south side of the sign. So you can see they got most of the film off. Just this little right side hasn't been finished yet. And you can see all the video screen itself has all the little gaps filled in. Just waiting for this side to come off. And then of course no shield yet. Okay, this is the north side of the Yesco sign. You can see how they got all the film off. The screen's finished. So just waiting for this logo on this side. And then we're right by this is the Ticketmaster booth. Looks like they're finished working on this also. Even all the little video boards in the windows, they just all say tickets now. Before they were saying test. Alright, I'm still on Dean Martin, closer to L. Davis Way. So this right in front, this is the lot D. And you can see all the gates to get in here. They have a lot of them. This is going to be pretty much the main entrance, this north end. And you can see the flagpoles. If we look between the two flagpoles, you can see it's north entry. That's the sign right there. That's the Ford north entry. We keep swinging over. We got a crew over here. They're working on this. Find them. There we go. So those are the 5G mini towers. They got a lot of them all around the place, running a lot of wires up into them. Then we got the cleaning crew, the building cleaning crew. They're still here. See on that giant lift. Alright, I'm now on L. Davis Way. This is looking right in at this north entrance. You can see the lanai doors. And then it's called the Ford North Entry. And the radar image is right back through those gates. So I just sent up the drone. You can see all this whole area is cleaned up. They got rid of all the construction stuff that was laying around for this area, in this area. So now we just got the guys working on this 5G, these little 5G mini towers. So we got the one here. Then there's another one right here by the main entrance. Right over there behind that gray conic box. See how they just pretty much brush it down. I don't see them, but it evaporates pretty quick. You can see how quick that one evaporated. Alright, we're gonna go walk up to the top of the Hacienda Bridge, get a view from there. Okay, I'm on the Hacienda Bridge. So we just get a little better look of like this entrance area. You can see the top of the stairs. And then this is the main entry right here. Right under this welcome to Allegiant Stadium. This would be the main north entry. As you can see that Ford sign right there. And then the other stairs. So if we look, I'm going to try to show you in the reflection. You can see the reflection, you can see the man lift there. You can see there's a person moving them giant sheets of plywood around. So they're putting them down as they drive so they don't get the tire marks on the concrete. You can see there the guys are still working on this 5G tower. Alright, I'm going to go to the west side and get a little bit of footage from there. Alright, I am now on the west side on Polaris. I just sent the drone up so you can get a good view of this area. It's pretty much done. So this, I'm right in front of Lot A. So Lot A, you can see they do have all the striping done. We can also see down here so the crew's working on another one of these 5G towers here. So this is supposed to be one of the most connected stadiums in the world. I think SoFi Stadium might have a little bit more to it just because it's bigger and a lot more going on over there, but it's gonna be connected pretty well. Alright, I guess that's all we got for today. So we're down to 5 days left till substantial completion. They were issued their occupancy permit, so this is it. We're getting on the home stretch here. So if you want to keep getting updates on what's going on out here at the stadium as well as the headquarters, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. You can also follow me on Instagram at Duntov67. Raider Nation, everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys next time.